Hello everyone, what you can see right now is the part of the movie with Sir Roger Moore and Barbara Bach, The Spy Who Loved Me from 1977. Today's episode will be about Bond car-submarine, which was built based on Lotus Esprit S1. What is quite interesting, this underwater vehicle literally exists and is able to dive and climb with divers in it. Wet Nellie, as this is how it was called, was placed in the leased storage, and upon completion of filming after 10 years, no one claimed the contents, so it was placed on auction. The buyer paid less than $100 for the unit without knowing what is inside the storage locker. The new owner had exterior restored and the submarine was again put up for auction as a Bond car in 2013. It was bought for £550,000 by Elon Musk, who planned to convert it into the functional car submarine from the film. Musk stated that he plans to use Tesla Motors' electric drivetrain in making his conversion a reality. I'm quite curious when his vision becomes true, but for now let's focus on the model kit. It is a gift from my friend to challenge me a bit with something different than cars, and I guess he managed. Fujimi Bond submarine car can be built with different setups, with headlights opened or closed, and with or without some guns at the rear. It is quite easy to build, because if you want to take it easy way, you can just focus on the exterior, as interior is not visible at all. I decided to prime it with white and then go with white base color. It does do the job, but it is quite difficult as you paint white on white. Next time I will go with grey and white primer and then the base coat. There are a couple of things that I would do better next time, but I treat them as lessons learned. Thanks a lot for listening to this long introduction. Enjoy the video and have a wonderful day. Cheers!